Hello, welcome in the first part of decimal multiplication. Okay, in this video we will going to learn how do we multiply decimals. So for this we will take one question, and the question is how much do you pay for 3 pounds of grapes? That means how much we have to pay for the 3 pounds of grapes. If the cost of per pound means 1 pound. Okay, if the cost of 1 pound is $1.98, so what will be the cost of 3 pound grapes? Fine. So how will we do? We know for this we need to multiply, right? So for per pound the cost is $1.98, and we have to find the cost of 3 pounds. So we will multiply this by 3. Okay, but this is a decimal quotient, right? This is not a normal quotient. So how will we solve? The method is step 1. So step 1, you will ignore the decimal and you will write the normal whole numbers. Okay, so this is the step 1. You will ignore the decimals part. Okay, now step 2, you will take its product. You will find the product of this whole number. So we will take 198 multiplied by 3. Okay, now we will multiply. So 3 times 8 is 24. 3 times 9 27, but 27 plus extra 2 29. Okay, now 3 times 1 is 3, and 3 plus 2 5. So see, this is the product of our whole numbers 594, but this is not the actual answer. Why? Because there is a decimal in our question, right? So we have to find the answer in decimals form. So step 3 is we will put a decimal again. How? Listen carefully. Check how many digits are there after decimal in our question. So you will say we have 2 digits after decimal, right? So it means in our final answer, we should have or we must have 2 digits after decimal. So where will you place your decimal? See, 1 digit, 2 digit. So we will place our decimal here. Okay. So this way we can say our final answer is $5.98. Okay. So the cost of 3 pounds of grapes is $5.94. Clear? Okay. So this was it for today's video, first part, in which we have solved one question. Okay, now we will meet in the next part, second part, with some different question. Okay, have a good day. Bye bye, take care.